So this is something I've wanted to play with for a while, but it was broken. It's just the 2D face tracking module in Spark, which you can only access via script. There's some example stuff in the script, but I thought it would be useful for me and other people to set up this example. So pretty much, if you look at the script, it has a couple of variables set, and that's just pulling the information from script land. So it gets the position, size, and the center point for the first detected face. So you can build this out more and support more faces, but just for this demo, it's one face. And then just for like debugging purposes or to help your understandings of like how it's working, I set these watchers. And what that does, if you go to the console, well, there we go. Yeah. So these numbers are updating. So if you look at the X and I move left, it will move towards 0. Yeah, so when it isn't detecting a face, it'll get stuck. So you can also add logic for that. So like if it's not detecting a face, it won't stick on the screen. So by dragging the script into here, we can get those variables. And in the patches, it's just doing a couple of things to convert units and draw a rectangle, and that's it. So yeah, this is a cool way to do 2D face tracking. I'm not totally sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but I just wanted to explore the capability and wrap it up in a project that I can reference later. So yeah, I thought I'd share that with you guys, and I hope it is useful to you. If you found it useful or you used it in a commercial project, you can donate or sponsor me on GitHub. Yeah, that's it. Have fun.